Happy good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Sunny. What are you up to?
I went for a beautiful walk this morning and I found a shillelagh.
Oh, what's a shillelagh?
It's an Irish walking stick.
Look at all the colors. There's green and white. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day.
Let's craft with it.
Great idea, Sunny.
Yay! Let's get started.
Begin by placing all your supplies into a paper bag. Give the bag a good shake and voila, your project is complete. Just kidding. This craft is quick, but not that fast. Alright, enough shenanigans, let's get started for real this time. I'm using a brown paper bag and cutting it into 5 rectangles. Cut triangles off the bottom. Cut out 5 green rectangles. Use a glue stick to adhere the 2 rectangles together. Cut triangles off the bottom. Lastly, add a strip of gold paper to the tops. I cut 10 pieces of twine, each 5 inches long. Let's write out the word lucky. Cut some gold paper to make a lucky horseshoe. Use hot glue to attach the banner to the stick. Sunny, look at all the lichen on this stick. Do you remember when you ate the reindeer lichen?
Oh, don't remind me.
I decided there wasn't enough gold on this project to fill up me lucky pot, so I added some more gold accents.
Joke time.
Next, I'm using some more twine. I really like how this natural element adds to our lucky craft. I think we still need some more sparkle, so let's add some shimmery shamrocks.
Say that 10 times fast.
To continue the natural look, I added some baby's breath between the shamrocks.
Let's add a bow.
I like the baby's breath so much, I added it to the letters as well.
Did you know shillelaghs are used to ward off snakes?
Aw, Sunny, that's a bunch of blarney.
Happy crafting!
Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. We hope you have a very happy St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.